Hi, this is Terry with Paar Melis, and I will be going over the payroll demo. We've had the payroll up now for over 10 years. I believe that if you're looking for a payroll solution, you will really enjoy this one. It's very user-friendly, and of course, Paar Melis is here to support you. So let's go ahead and get started. So we begin on the to-do page. When you log in, you'll be on the to-do page. The to-do page will have everything that you need on here to stay current. So for instance, we have a sample company. The sample company's in California, so they have some California taxes that are due and some California forms that need to be filed. Most all states accept electronic filing. All of the federal forms are electronically filed, but I'll get back to this page in a minute. I want to just go briefly through the rest of it. When you sign up with us, you will give us all the information. We will get all of your employees entered in. For our sample, we have 2 yearly employees, 1 hourly employee, 2 are on direct deposit, 1's on check. Our fees are all inclusive, so if you choose to use direct deposit, that is also included at the monthly fee. So we've already entered all your employees in. And we've entered all your tax information in and all history in if that is required. So once you log in, again, you're going to come to the to-do page. The first thing you're going to do is click payday. So here's where we're going to pay our employees. We've, again, put your schedules in. So all you have to do is come in here, enter your hours, and of course your salaried people are already set up. So you just click create paychecks. Now again, this is very simple. So if you have flat rate, we're able to do that. If you pay multiple ways, you can do that as well. There's an error message here because of the holiday. So don't worry. You have to have your pay completed 2 full business days in advance. You have until 5 o'clock Pacific time, 2 days in advance to have it run. So this is just telling us we don't have the time to do that, but we're going to go ahead and just ignore that. Once you get in here and you created these checks, you're on the approval screen. This gives you a chance to view and edit any of these checks. So let's just view and edit this one so you can see what I'm talking about. It'll pull the check up. And then we're going to go ahead and click edit because we realized that we needed to give this person 3 hours overtime. So you can change anything in a box that's open, and then you click save. Once you feel that these are all correct, you click Approve Paychecks. Now, we have 2 people that are on direct deposit, 1 that's not. So we're going to view and print this one because you want to be able to print this check from the payroll service. The other 2 people, we're going to send an email to them with their pay stub in it. So you don't need to worry about printing anything for them. So when you pull up the view and print, this is what it'll look like, and it'll print on QuickBooks compatible checks. If you choose not to use QuickBooks compatible checks, you'll have to print them by hand, or else have them, once you export everything into your QuickBooks file, you can pull the check up from your check register in QuickBooks and print it from there, and then just print the pay stub to hand along with that check. So this is what it'll look like if you have QuickBooks compatible checks. And so when you're done with that, you say continue. And then, of course, you want to put your check number in here because this is going to export into your QuickBooks file. So we're going to just say that's our check number and save checks. Now, at that point, payroll's done. There is an export feature. Unfortunately, with the sample data, I can't really show you what that looks like because it is a sample data. It has no place to go. But basically what you would do is, remember I said everything's on your to-do list. If you go back to your to-do list, it would say that you had things to export. We, of course, will set all that up for you as well. So let's go look at these taxes. Now, this says it's time to pay taxes. So in order to pay the taxes, you click on the tax button that you want to pay. You click Create Payment, and you click Approve Payment, and it will go electronically. Here is your confirmation. If you have other taxes to pay, you click on Pay Taxes. Click on, let's pay the federal, create payment, click on approve payment, and again, here's your e-payment confirmation. You also get emails when you've submitted your tax payments. You'll get emails reminding you you have tax payments that need to be done. Now let's go look back to the to-do page because everything on there needs to be done to stay current. We have some first quarter forms that haven't been done, so in order to file these forms, they go electronically as well. So we're going to click on the California one and click Submit. And that form is now in process, ready to go. And then we're going to send the 941, click Submit. That one's also ready. Like I said, I always go back to the to-do list to make sure we clean it all up. One other great feature about this is you can create your own to-do list. This is one of a feature that I really like. For instance, don't So don't forget to pay vacation. I always put the little asterisk before and after it. Once it goes on your to-do list, it's here. When you're done with it, you click the trash can and it goes away. I really like that feature in case you have something that you need to do, you don't want to forget. So basically, we've run payroll and we have paid the taxes, sent some forms off, and we've done that in about 4 minutes. Like I said before, we can set your employees up to flat rate or multiple rates. That's easily done. And you can also pay subcontractors through here. If you have any 1099, you can set them up in here as well and pay from here. They can all go direct deposit. You do not have to use the direct deposit feature. That's just a feature that's available to you that's included in the fee that you pay. There's reports here, lots of different reports. So for instance, let's go to the payroll details. That's one of the ones that I use a lot. It's got all the information in. So the payroll we just ran is all here. So it gives us all the information of what their wages were, the tax that were taken out, all their deductions. We can set up all the deductions for you as well. And then your company paid taxes that are your expense. So I really like this report. You can print it. You can do a printer-friendly version of it. So you can click on here and print that. You can also set it to Excel if you wanted to do it that way and get it into, if you needed, for instance, if you needed the data and you needed to manipulate it somehow. Like I said before, all the setup is done for you. We do that and take care of that. If you go to taxes and forms and click view tax payments you have made, if you needed to view anything, these are the tax payments we just created. So you can see them here for that. That is basically it in a nutshell. I would love to give you a demo and go over things for your company. My direct line is 301-703-5209 if you have any questions. And please reach out to us. I think you'd really like it. Thanks.